The session continue next. The next topic is residential status of income. The residential status is an important concept of tax law, particularly in determining the tax liability of individuals or entities in particular country. These residential status of an individual or entity typically determine the extent of their tax obligations within the given overviews. First one is resident. An individual considered a resident for tax purpose if they have stayed in country for a specific period that exceeds the minimum residential requirements as per the tax law of the country. Generally, this period is defined based on the number of days spent within the country during the tax period. The residential are typically subject of tax on their worldwide income. The meaning of income determining the earned the domestically and internationally. Next one is non-resident. A non-resident is an individual who does not meet the criteria to be considered a resident for tax purpose. Non-residents are usually subject to tax only on income earned within the country borders or incomes that is considered to have a source within that country. Non-residents may also be subject withholding the tax to certain types of income. Next one is ordinary resident. In some situations, there may be distinction between the ordinary resident and non-ordinary resident. An ordinary resident typically someone who has permanent home or habitual adopt in the country and spend a significant amount of the time there. The tax implications for ordinary residents may vary depending on specific tax laws. Next one is deemed resident. Some countries have provides for individuals who are deemed residents for tax purpose based on the specific criteria, even if they do not meet the standard residency requirement. This country include individuals who have strong economic ties to the country, such as owning property or continuing business activities. The determination of residential status can have significant implications for tax liability, including of the tax, income, subject of tax, availability deductions and exemptions, and the rates at which tax are assumed. It is essential for individual and entitled to understand the rules and the regulations of government residential status in the obligations where they have tax obligations where ensure compliance with the tax law and optimize their tax planning strategies. Tax is circular to taxpayers to with the tax laws minimize tax liabilities through the entitled tax planning strategy and ensure accurate reporting income and tax authorities. Consulting with the tax professionals or advisors can help individuals and entitled navigate complex tax rules, optimize their tax position within the confine of the law. These are the facts are included in the residential status of income. So we will see the next topic will be on next session. Thank you.